I'm Maddie, and today I'm going to be baking cookies. Here's a list of ingredients. If you're wondering what supplies you might need for this baking adventure, no problem, I got you. You're going to want 1 plate, 1 plastic fork, and 1, very hot waffle iron. We're going to begin by opening up our cookie dough. If you want to make your own cookie dough, that is a good idea. Go ahead, do it. Pause the video right now and come back after you have mixed together your cookie dough. Okay, now that you're done with that, we can continue. Here's your cookie dough. You're going to want to break it into individual pieces. Once you have your individual pieces of cookie dough, you can begin to place them onto the waffle iron to be cooked. Don't forget to spray your waffle iron. I suggest placing 2 pieces of cookie dough so that it fills up the whole waffle iron. But you can change this ratio, adjusted for the size of your waffle iron and your chunks of cookie dough. There's nothing that can go wrong in this video, so I really hope that nothing does go wrong. Now, if you're not afraid of salmonella, you can just eat the cookie dough. It's like cookie dough. Let your cookies bake for 5 minutes, and then you can take them off your waffle iron. It has not been 5 minutes. As you can't tell, I have no concept of time. So, I was wrong, something can go wrong, and it did. Unfortunately, we did not fill the waffle iron. The cookie does not want to come out, so I will get back to you once I figure that out. Once it has been an adequate amount of time, remove your cookie from the waffle iron. Remember to be very careful with this step so that you do not burn yourself or your cookie. For the next attempt, we will be adding more cookies to the waffle iron. The first cookie wouldn't come out, so I just have a bunch of crumbs. But you know what? They taste good. You're now going to attempt with 5 pieces of cookie dough to fill up the entirety of the waffle iron. To be honest, this looks like a better amount. We do not need the same problem. Hear that nice sizzle. That means it's working. Important to note, cookies do rise, and if you put too many cookies in the waffle iron, it will start to expand. It's like a fresh baked cookie, if someone then smashed that cookie into a bunch of pieces with a hammer. For some reason, this is not working as well as I had hoped. Would I do this again? Probably not. Would I recommend this? Maybe. Overall, it tastes exactly how I wanted it to, like cookies. Although honestly, I'd be pretty concerned if it didn't taste like cookies considering that I just heated up some cookie dough.